In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Metatrader 5 with XM account. We'll walk through opening Metatrader 5, signing into your XM trading account, where to find your login details, and a few essential tips to avoid common mistakes so you can get connected quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Metatrader 5 application on your computer. If you prefer to use your phone, you can open the MT5 mobile app as well. The screens may look a bit different on mobile, but the credentials you'll use are exactly the same on both. On desktop, look at the top menu bar, click File, and then select Login to Trade Account. A small window will appear asking for 3 items. For login, enter your XM MT5 account number. For password, enter your trading password. And for server, choose the XM MT5 server exactly as it appears in your account details. Accuracy matters here. Selecting the wrong server will prevent you from connecting. Once everything is filled in, click OK or log in. When the login succeeds, you'll see your account appear in the platform, your balance show up in the terminal area, and live market prices updating on your charts. The connection status indicator in the bottom right should also confirm you're online with the broker. If you're not sure where to find your XM MT5 login details, check the welcome email from XM with a subject like, "Welcome to XM, your account details." That message includes your MT5 account number, your trading password, and the exact server name you need to select in Metatrader 5. To avoid typos, it's a great idea to copy and paste these fields directly from the email. Keep that message stored somewhere safe so you can reference it later. If it isn't in your inbox, look in your spam or junk folder, or search your mailbox for the subject line. Before we wrap up, a few important reminders. An MT4 account cannot log in to MT5, and an MT5 account cannot log in to MT4, so make sure you're using the Metatrader 5 app and MT5 credentials. The server name must match exactly. Brokers often have multiple servers, and picking the wrong one will cause a failed login. If your login doesn't work, double-check the account number, verify the password carefully, and confirm the server selection. Passwords are case-sensitive, and extra spaces can cause errors. On mobile, the same credentials apply. The path to the login option may look different, but you'll still choose the correct server and enter the same details. That's all you need to get set up. Open MT5, enter your XM MT5 account number and trading password, pick the exact server from your welcome email, and confirm you see your balance and live prices. You're ready to go. Ready to